Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today we're going to be making crochet coaster pumpkins, and these are like really super cute. Fall is coming up, so I'm pretty sure you could give these as gifts or you can use them in your household too. So let's go ahead and get started. They're super easy and super fun to make. Today we're going to need threading needle, number 5 crochet hook, and some scissors. And the colors of yarn I will be using is orange. I'm going to be using the green for the stem, for the leaf, and I'm going to be using brown for the stem. All right, so to get started, we're going to be making a magic ring. Okay, so once you make your magic ring, you're going to chain 2. You should have 2 on there. Then you're going to put 16 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, oh, sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let me get some more yarn, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so once you have 16, go ahead and make sure you have 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so once you've done that, go ahead and tighten up your circle. Okay, now we are going to slip stitch into the top loop of the first stitch that we made, or into the first double crochet that we made. Okay, so once you've done that, now you can chain 2, 1, 2. After you chain 2, we're going to increase, so let's put 2 double crochet in each stitch. So in the first stitch, put 1, 2. Okay, that's what it looks like. Grab some more yarn. The next stitch, we're going to put 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1, 2, and just keep going around. So 2 in the same stitch, 1, back in the same stitch, 2. Next one, 1, 2. Okay, and then just keep going till you get all the way to the end. Okay, so we've come to the end, and we're going to slip stitch in the top of our first double crochet again. Okay, this is what our project should look like. And then we're going to chain 2 again. 1, 2. Okay, let me grab some more yarn. All right, so now what we're going to do, on the third, this is the third row, we're going to do 2 double crochet in the first one. 1, 2. Okay, and then we're going to put 1 double crochet in the next, and that's going to count as one. We're going to do, that's one set like that. Okay, so the next set would be 2 double crochet, 1. That's set 2. So we did 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. That's 1. Let's do it again. 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. That's 2. And we're going to do this 6 times. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next. Okay, that's 3. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next. That's 4. 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. That's 5. 1 more. 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. That's 6. Okay, so once you have 6 all the way through on this side, next you're going to do a half double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, and then you're going to do 2 single crochets. 1, 2. Okay, then you're going to do another half double crochet in the next. Okay, and then we're going to repeat what we did on this side. We're going to do 6 clusters again. So we're going to do, we're going to start with 1 double crochet this time. 1 double crochet. Okay, and we're going to do 2 double crochet. 1, 2 in the same one. Then we're going to do, that's 1, and now we're going to do another one. So 1, next one, 2 double crochet. That's 2. Next one, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. That's 3. 1 double crochet. Next, 2 double crochet. That's 4. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. That's 5. 1 more. 1 double crochet. All right, so now you should have 3 stitches left. Once you have 3 stitches left, you're going to put 1 single crochet in all 3 of these. Okay, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we're just going to slip stitch into the top of the double crochet, and we are going to tie it off. Okay, and just flatten it out. That's all you gotta do, because mine was curling too. So if yours starts curling, just flatten it out. It's just a coaster. So this is what our pumpkin looks like. If you want to wait to the end to weave in the ends, you can, but I'm just gonna go ahead and weave in the ends now so I don't have to do it later. I like to weave it in really good so that the the end doesn't come out. So once you do that, you can go ahead and cut it. Don't cut your project. All right, and now we're going to weave in this last end right here. There really isn't a particular way that I weave in the ends. I just leave it in. And then we can cut this one. All right, so this is what our, this is the top, yep. This is what our pumpkin looks like. And now we are going to do the stem. I will show you how to do that one. So go ahead and grab your brown yarn. It doesn't really matter what color brown, just any brown yarn that you have. So this is where we ended right here. So you're going to, you see your single crochets that you did 1, 2, and 3. Go into this first one over here to the right. I kind of hold the yarn up here so I could just weave. I kind of hold the yarn right here on the back, the loose strand, and I will. So go ahead and chain 2, 1, 2. All right. We're going to put a single crochet in each. So the one that we just did, we're going to actually put another one in there. 1, and put another double crochet in the next one. 1, and another double crochet into the next one. 1. Okay. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2. And then you're going to, in your last double crochet one, you're going to go down and slip stitch it together. Then you're going to tie off. That one was pretty quick. Okay. Now for this part, you can just go ahead and weave in the back ends. I kind of like to weave them in together. So I take my needle and I just weave it in to the back. No particular way, I just pull it through. Okay. Once you pull it through, you can go ahead and cut that off. Don't cut your project. Oh, I didn't cut that all the way. Yeah, okay. This is the right side. Okay. So after you make the stem, you have the pumpkin and the stem. So the last thing we have to do is make the leaf that it's going to be a little curly leaf. So let's see. Or a vine, whatever you want to call it. So grab your green yarn now. You're going to make a slip knot. Make sure the yarn is a little bit longer, just so you can tie it off in the end. So go ahead and make your slip knot. You're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what you're going to do now, you have 10 chains. Into the second stitch from the chain, you're going to make a single crochet. Into that same stitch, you're going to make another single crochet. So you will have 2 single crochets in all of these chains going down, okay? So let's move on to the next one. Single crochet, single crochet. Do the next one, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. And what you'll notice is that your work is going to start curling. That is exactly what you want. You want it to start curling. Oh, hold on. And the last stitch, 1, 2. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna stop right there, grab your scissors and cut it off. Okay, and then just pull through. So that's what you have. And then you can just curl it how you want to. Okay, so this is what mine looks like. It's all curly. All right, so this part right here, you thread your needle. Okay, and this is where you're gonna put it at. You see this loop right here, this open space right here? Okay, you're gonna put it through there. All right, and then you're gonna take the other side and bring it around the back. And all you're gonna do is just tie it off. Tie it off together. I do a couple knots just because I don't want it to come undone. Yeah, let me go ahead and tie it. And then I just do one big knot. Okay. Alrighty. So once you do that, you can go ahead, you can either weave it in, or you can either go ahead and just cut it really short. I usually just cut it really short. And that is our pumpkin. It's so cute. Pull it out, shape it how you want to, make sure it's to your liking. All right. And that is our pumpkin. It looks so cute. Use it for whatever you want. You can gift it, or you know, you could use it yourself as like decoration. You know, the fall's coming up and Halloween and stuff. So yep, this is the crochet coaster. I really hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If I was going too fast for some people, you can actually slow down the video speed. So you might want to do that if I was going too fast. I'm sorry again. Or you could speed it up if I wasn't going fast enough. But this is the crochet pumpkin coaster, and I hope you guys like this video. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Thank you. Bye.